Most of us don't remember that something caught so much attention in the truck community like the previous Tundra redesign, but in the most negative way. The new generation brought significant upgrades and updates, but it turned out to be shockingly unreliable. Now, it's time for the mid-cycle refresh that won't just fix those issues, but bring novelties that will ensure that the all-new 2026 Toyota Tundra turns even the biggest Toyota haters into believers. V6 finally fixed. After years of uncertainty, Toyota has delivered the reliability breakthrough everyone demanded. The twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 that initially threatened the Tundra's reputation has undergone a complete transformation. Toyota has fundamentally updated the entire power plant to restore the legendary durability that made the old 5.7-liter V8 a legend. The early problems were serious. Nearly 100,000 Tundras required complete engine replacements due to manufacturing defects that caused catastrophic failures. For a brand built on reliability, this was nothing short of devastating. Toyota's reputation took a massive hit as owners watched their trucks fail with minimal mileage on the odometer. But Toyota's response has been extraordinary. Instead of applying quick fixes, the engineering team spent 2 years completely rebuilding the manufacturing process. Every single component has been re-examined, retested, and refined. The cylinder heads now feature improved casting techniques that eliminate the porosity issues that plagued early models. The turbochargers have been redesigned with upgraded materials that can handle extreme heat cycling without degradation. The fuel injection system received a complete overhaul with new high-pressure pumps and precision-engineered injectors that deliver consistent performance across all operating conditions. Even the engine management software has been rewritten from scratch to optimize power delivery while protecting critical components from stress. What does this mean for owners? The 2026 Tundra's V6 now delivers the same bulletproof reliability that made the 5.7-liter V8 famous. Toyota is so confident in these improvements that they're extending warranty coverage and implementing the most comprehensive quality control testing in the company's history. Every engine undergoes extended durability testing before leaving the factory. Tundra Trailhunter. Toyota is expanding its off-road leadership with the most capable Tundra variant ever created. The Trailhunter grade brings factory-backed overlanding capability that transforms the full-size truck into a complete adventure platform. The Trailhunter concept originated at SEMA 2022 with a custom Tundra build that showcased serious off-road modifications. After the overwhelming positive response, Toyota decided to bring this vision to production. The result is a truck that's ready for extended backcountry adventures straight from the dealership. The suspension system receives the most significant upgrades. Toyota's engineers developed specialized tuning that optimizes load-carrying capability while maintaining excellent ride quality on rough terrain. The Trailhunter features heavy-duty springs, upgraded shock absorbers, and reinforced mounting points that can handle the weight of camping gear, recovery equipment, and supplies for extended trips. All-terrain tires come standard, providing excellent traction on various surfaces from rocky trails to sandy washes. The wheel wells feature protective cladding that prevents damage from flying debris, while the underbody receives comprehensive skid plate coverage protecting the engine, transmission, transfer case, and fuel tank. The bed design gets completely reimagined for adventure use. Toyota installs a modular cargo management system with tie-down points positioned for optimal load distribution. Integrated mounting rails allow easy installation of rooftop tents, awnings, and auxiliary lighting without requiring aftermarket modifications. Tundra HD is coming. For the first time in Toyota's history, they're entering the heavy-duty truck segment. The Tundra HD represents a massive expansion that will directly challenge Ford Super Duty, Chevrolet Silverado HD, and Ram heavy-duty models. Engineering work is already underway on what could become Toyota's most capable truck ever. The business case for a Tundra HD is compelling. Heavy-duty trucks generate enormous profit margins, with customers willing to pay premium prices for maximum capability. The HD market has been dominated by American manufacturers for decades, but Toyota sees an opportunity to bring their legendary reliability to commercial and serious recreational users. The TNG AF platform that underpins the current Tundra was designed with scalability in mind. Toyota's engineers can strengthen the frame rails, upgrade suspension mounting points, and reinforce critical stress areas to handle significantly higher payloads and towing loads. The foundation is already there, it just needs proper enhancement. Expect the Tundra HD to feature dual rear wheels for maximum towing stability. The dually configuration will enable the truck to handle the heaviest boat trailers, construction equipment, and RVs that define the HD segment. Payload capacity should exceed 4,000 pounds, while towing capability will climb way beyond 15,000 pounds. While electric trucks capture headlines, the HD segment remains focused on capability and reliability. Toyota's reputation for building trucks that last hundreds of thousands of miles gives them a significant advantage in a market where downtime costs money. Plug-in hybrid joins the lineup. Electrification comes to the Tundra in a big way with the introduction of plug-in hybrid technology. This represents Toyota's most significant powertrain expansion since the current generation launched. The PHEV system will combine the proven reliability of the gasoline engine with the efficiency and capability of electric power. Toyota North America executives have confirmed active development of plug-in hybrid systems for both Tacoma and Tundra applications. This isn't just future planning, it's a response to changing market demands and increasingly strict emissions regulations that will affect all manufacturers. The plug-in hybrid system will build upon the existing iForce Max architecture, but with substantially larger battery capacity. Instead of the current hybrid's small battery pack, the PHEV will feature enough energy storage for meaningful electric-only driving range. This capability will be particularly valuable for work sites where quiet operation and zero local emissions provide significant advantages. The electric range should reach approximately 40 to 50 miles on a full charge, sufficient for most daily driving without using the gasoline engine. For longer trips or heavy towing, the system will operate like a conventional hybrid with a gasoline engine and electric motors working together to optimize efficiency and performance. Charging capability will include both standard household outlets and level 2 charging stations. Toyota will likely include a portable charging cable that plugs into standard 120-volt outlets for overnight charging. Level 2 charging will reduce charging time to just a few hours for users with 240-volt connections at home or work. The power output should be impressive. Combined system power will likely exceed 450 horsepower, with the electric motors providing instant torque for improved acceleration and towing performance. The electric motors will also enable the truck to function as a mobile power station capable of running job site equipment or providing emergency backup power. Styling updates. While the overall proportions remain largely unchanged, Toyota's designers have refined key elements to create a more aggressive and contemporary appearance. These aren't minor tweaks, they represent a comprehensive styling evolution. The front fascia receives the most dramatic transformation. The wide grille grows even larger with more intricate detailing and integrated lighting elements. New LED daytime running lights feature a distinctive pattern that immediately identifies the refreshed model. The headlight clusters become slimmer and more technical looking, incorporating advanced lighting technology that improves both function and appearance. Toyota's designers have addressed owner feedback by incorporating front tow hooks into the bumper design. These recovery points were conspicuously absent from the current generation, forcing serious off-road users to install aftermarket solutions. The integrated tow hooks maintain the clean bumper appearance while providing essential functionality for recovery situations. The hood receives subtle but effective updates with new character lines that emphasize the truck's muscular proportions. Air intakes are repositioned and resized to improve engine cooling while enhancing the aggressive front-end appearance. Chrome trim is reduced in favor of body-colored or black accents that create a more modern and sophisticated look. Rear-end modifications complement the front updates with revised taillights featuring new LED patterns. The tailgate design incorporates subtle changes that improve functionality while maintaining the truck's strong visual presence. New exhaust tip designs vary by trim level, with the TRD Pro and Trail Hunter featuring distinctive performance-oriented outlets. Interior updates focus on technology and material quality improvements. The dashboard layout receives minor refinements with updated trim pieces and improved materials in key touch points. The infotainment system features the same display size but with enhanced graphics and faster processing speeds. Release date and price. Toyota will unveil the refreshed 2026 Tundra later this year, with sales beginning in soon after. Pricing will see modest increases across the lineup to reflect the substantial improvements and new technology. Base models will start around $42,000, while fully loaded variants approach $85,000. The new Trail Hunter grade will position between limited and TRD Pro trims with pricing in the mid-$70,000 range. The Tundra HD pricing remains unconfirmed, but we predict starting prices around $55,000 for base configurations. Fully equipped dually models could exceed $90,000, putting them in direct competition with comparable American heavy-duty trucks. Toyota's American manufacturing gives the Tundra significant protection from potential trade disruptions. Built in Texas with primarily domestic components, the truck ranks highest among full-size pickups on Cars.com's American Made Index. This positioning should help maintain competitive pricing regardless of changing trade policies. Still, establishing a position in the heavy-duty segment won't be an easy task, as key players are also bringing updates for the next year. Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the 2026 Ford Super Duty, which you can now see on the screen. It's coming with further enhancements that should ensure it retains the class-leading position.